Story time! The Rash Magician. A long time ago, in a far-away land, there lived a wise Brahmin. He had studied much and was well known for his intelligence and knowledge. People came from near and far to become his disciples. There were many clever students amongst his 500 disciples. One day, the Brahmin called one of them, a boy named Sanjeev, and said to him, "Today I will impart to you such knowledge which will be of great help if you use it wisely." And he taught the young Brahmin a spell to bring the dead to life. But the wise one did not teach the boy the counter spell. Sanjeev was very happy and proud. He boasted to his friends, "I am the most intelligent. The master has taught only me this magic spell. Come and let us test it." The group of boys went off into the forest in search of any dead animal so that they might see for themselves whether the magic spell worked. As they walked along, they came across a dead tiger. "Now I will show you how clever I am. I will bring this dead tiger to life again. Stand back while I chant the spell." But the boys were hesitant. "Are you sure you should raise him from the dead? Let us go further into the jungle. There will definitely be another animal for you to bring to the life." Sanjeev laughed at them. "You are only jealous of me. You do not want me to prove how clever I am. Stand back. I will bring this tiger back to life. If you have decided, then there is nothing that we can do to change your mind. But please wait for a few minutes before you begin your work." They said and ran to the nearest tree. When they had all climbed the tree, going as high as they could, they called out, "We are ready, Sanjeev. You may now work your magic." At once, Sanjeev began to chant the magic spell. The tiger stirred its tail and heart began to beat slowly. Then it stretched and opened its eyes. "I have done it! I have done it!" shouted an excited Sanjeev. But before he could say anything more, the tiger got on to its feet. Sanjeev started screaming, "Help! Help!" But it was too late. The tiger threw him on the ground and killed him. The other boys shook with fright in their place on the branches, smelling their fear and sweat. The tiger turned at the tree. He jumped at the branches, snarling ferociously. But the frightened boys were too high for him. He went on his way. At once, the boys came down from the tree and killed the tiger. Then they went back to their master and told him all that had happened. So, if you have got some knowledge, always use it wisely. Okay?